everybody, and welcome to Cam and the Fam. And today I am making my husband a cheeseburger. Yeah, I'm nice today, plus it's pay week. So he's not going to get frozen patties this week. So I have my ground beef, I have my black pepper, my garlic pepper, my garlic powder, I have my steak seasoning, Worcestershire sauce. I know I have a hard time saying that. My mustard, my barbecue sauce, my giardiniera peppers, and I have cheese. And of course your bell peppers, your onions, and your lettuce and tomatoes. The only thing I am leaving off this burger is pickles. I'm not going to the store for no pickles. It's really not that serious. So we're going to open the ground beef. Let me get a bowl to put this in and I'll bring you guys back. So guys, we had to get out. We had to go get us a big bowl. So we're gonna put this ground beef in this bowl. Oops.
Ew.
We're gonna set that off to the side. Okay, so we're going to add our garlic powder. We're adding in our steak seasoning. Our black pepper. And y'all know I can't make a burger without my Lipton onion mix. Come on now. Okay. So we're going to put in our W sauce.
Worcestershire sauce.
Our W sauce.
Now how many drops of the Worcestershire sauce?
You season this to your liking. A lot of people don't. No, a lot of people don't like to use it, but it do brings out the flavor. And also, what I do, I find I also use my favorite barbecue sauce, because this is going to be like a steak burger. And if I had A1 sauce, I would use that in here, but I don't have A1 sauce. And guess what? We're not going to the store. So we're going to mix all of this in and make patties. So I know you all probably don't want to watch me make patties, or do you?
Yes.
But let me wash my hands, because I've been touching all these different bottles, and I'll bring you guys back. Okay, so we're going to mix all of this in. This is the fun part. Yippee. And you can smell all those flavors together, and it just smells so good. So we're going to form our first patty. And I like to make my patties, I like them to be big, because I like the big hamburger buns. So, and of course, when I make burgers this size, I don't cook fries with it. I always add chips or something. So we're going to form these patties. They don't have to be perfect. And I'm gonna lay this one to the side while I form my second patty.
It's like it's not in focus. How are y'all?
Can y'all see that burger? That's okay, they'll catch it. They'll be able to see it when I put it in a pan.
Like I said, it's just a little blurry.
Okay, so now we're getting ready to place these in a pan. Okay, so we're gonna put these patties in this pan. And because this ground beef is like 80-20, I think 80-20, it's gonna form its own grease, so we don't have to put any oil in this pan. So we're gonna lay our first patty in there. And here's the second patty. And here's number 3. This the big one right here. This the big boy.
That's mine.
Look at how big that burger is. And we're going to lay this last patty in there. And we're going to let this cook for probably about 3 minutes. And then I'm going to flip it. It's not going to take this long to cook at all. And I'm going to lay this one in there. Now you tell me. You tell me. Do those patties look like they're going to be good?
Oh yeah,
they're gonna be so good. So we're gonna bring you guys back we're gonna bring you guys back when it's time to flip it. Guys, I am so sorry. I'm standing up here and I just flipped the burgers without even turning the camera back on. But as you can see, the burgers are still cooking. And I'll bring you guys back once I get ready to turn the pan off. This time, I promise you, I will remember. So you guys, the burgers are ready. So we're gonna put them on some napkins and let them drain. I am so sorry guys that I had flipped them over without telling you all. So we're gonna let these drain. And now I have to fry the onions, so I forgot to even slice them up. So bring you guys back in a second. So guys, I am slicing my onions. They love a lot of onions. So we got our bell peppers and our tomatoes cut up, and our lettuce have already been rinsed. So we're getting ready to just put this in the pan and we're getting ready to build this burger. Grease is not hot at all. Thought I had it up higher, but
oh, it is on.
yeah, it's on. So it's not going to take these onions and bell peppers that long to cook. And this is just the grease that the ground beef made. So we're only going to cook this probably about a minute, just until it's brown. Let's cut off a few more bell peppers.
Now we can dip in the ranch.
Do y'all here keep begging for a bell pepper?
I like raw bell peppers.
Okay. We got a little problem, y'all. So now we got our bell peppers, our onions. And we're going to I'm just gonna sit my cheese on my burgers while it's still hot. And when I make my hamburgers, Sometimes I just don't make french fries. I just do chips. Like tonight, they don't have chips. And everybody's gonna be happy. You got your makeup on so pretty.
Thank you. I'm gonna mukbang this, guys.
Oh, really?
I'm gonna mukbang it for you.
You mukbang it for yourself.
This is for you guys.
Oh, okay. You say you want to eat this. So you just eating the burger for them, for the family.
Yeah, it's just for you guys.
Wow. Wow. That's so nice of you, Key.
I'm generous. What can I say?
See. That's so nice of you. That is really nice to see. Just doing it for the family. Wow.
I know you guys love it, so this is for you all.
Guys, we'll bring you back once we build this burger. Well, guys, as you can see, my onions and my bell peppers, they are ready. So we're going to turn this stove off and we get ready to build this burger. Well, guys, this is my burgers. We have a cheeseburger. We're going to add our lettuce. And I don't like to use a lot of lettuce. I just don't. So that's our lettuce. And we're going to put our tomato. I told you guys I ran out of pickles, and I'm not going to the store for any pickles. And we're gonna put our bell peppers. You want mustard on this, Cam? So we adding our mustard. We're gonna add it on here. And then we're going to pour our open pit barbecue sauce. Try to drizzle it on here. And we're gonna put it on this one. And I'm gonna let them put their own jardinera peppers on here. And guys, these are my burgers. He'll probably need some more chips on here. We're gonna lay that bun to the side. And that is Cinnamon's hamburgers. And when I tell you these burgers are delicious, oh my goodness, I just don't know what to do. I just don't know what to do. Cinnamon. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna say it again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please thumbs this video, share this video out with anybody that love home cooked meals, and we will bring you guys back sharing another awesome recipe. So have a blessed night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.